The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, southern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsford Heights, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Knox, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Knox, Kingsford Heights, Hamlet, Coons Lake, Oak Grove, Henna, Thomaston, Ober, South Center, Salem Heights, Brems, Tracy, Union Mills, Grovertown, and Bass Lake. Large hail and damaging wind and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte and Stark.
And that's the shorter way. The other groups are going to be thinking that we're going to go the long way, but we're really going to go a short way going through the park. I said no, Dad! Yeah!
This was a severe thunderstorm warning.